In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use Uber Eats for the first time. Let's get started. First, navigate to App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Uber Eats. Once app appears, download it. Then you can launch it. Now, go ahead and provide your credentials and log in. In case you don't have an account, create one. After that, you will be directed to the home page. Here you will see a list of restaurants and food options on the home screen. You can scroll through or search for your favorite food. You can click on the search icon, search for the food that you are looking for. Once it appears, click on it. Now add it to the cart. Also fill in other extra details. Now navigate to the cart. Now here you're gonna find all the items that you have selected for the order. Now click on go to checkout. Once you're on the checkout page, you'll need to fill in these details: your delivery address, likewise time, phone number. Then you can click on next, provide your payment details, and your order will be placed. You can track your order in real time until it arrives at your doorstep, and that's it. This is how you can easily use Uber Eats. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.